In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a video as an MP4 in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you're new to video editing or just looking to refresh your skills, sticking around will ensure you know exactly how to get your project from Premiere to a shareable format smoothly. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, you'll want to make sure that Adobe Premiere Pro is open and ready to go. Once you've fired up Premiere, load up the project that you're ready to export. This is an essential first step, as you'll need to have your video project loaded in order to proceed with the export process. Now, direct your attention to the timeline panel. This is where all the magic happens with editing, and it's important that your timeline is active. Simply click on this panel so that Premiere knows which sequence you're looking to export. This selection ensures that you're exporting the exact part of your project that you've worked so hard to perfect. Next, let's go to the File menu located at the top left of your screen. Hovering over this opens a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Navigate carefully and find the option labeled Export. When you hover over Export, another submenu appears. Here, you'll find the Media option, and this is your gateway to exporting your video. So go ahead and select Media. After clicking on Media, you'll be greeted with the Export Settings window. This window may seem a tad overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry, I'm here to help you through it. In this window, you'll want to choose your format and preset. For most projects, we'd recommend selecting H.264 for the format, as it's user-friendly and compatible with most devices and platforms. As for the preset, the Match Source High Bitrate option typically works well for a good balance of quality and file size. Now that your format and preset are set, it's important to decide where this exported file will live on your computer. So under the Output Name field, click the blue text to choose your file name and select the location on your hard drive or external storage where you'd like to save it. Keeping your files organized is key, so maybe consider creating a dedicated folder for all your Premiere exports. Once you've configured your settings, it's a great idea to preview your output one last time before making it final. This step is crucial to ensure everything looks just the way you intended. Once satisfied with the preview, you're ready for the final step. Simply click the Export button, and voila, Premiere will begin the export process. Congratulations, you've now exported your video as an MP4 from Adobe Premiere Pro. Once completed, your video is ready to be shared with the world. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you feel more confident with your video projects.